Marhaba, are you struggling with teaching Arabic to your children? This was my case. Therefore, we came up with Kitabee Ramadan challenges. Since 2021, more than 500 Australian students have joined in and learned reading and writing within the month of Ramadan. A parent in Sydney said that you've done a miracle by teaching my two kids reading and writing within the month, and I've been convincing them for ages to start learning Arabic. This course motivates your child to do a daily class every day. Those classes are recorded, so the child will watch a video class every day, do the exercises, and every Saturday will join in a raffle. During this raffle, two lucky winners will win two $50 gift vouchers of their choice. To make sure that the children continue with their courses, with their classes, by the end of Ramadan, and if they finish the whole course, we will have a mega raffle during Eid. And in this mega raffle, two lucky winners will win $500 gift voucher and $300 gift voucher. So what are you waiting for? Enroll your child in this fun, entertaining course. To make this course more fun, we've already designed 250 online games to make Arabic more fun. So enroll them right now because the deadline is coming very soon. We look forward to seeing your children joining in this Kitabee Ramadan challenge and learning Arabic within the 30 days of Ramadan. Thank you very much. Shukran. مع السلامة.